The fact that you cage the corset does not mean you should start looking flat. There are several things that actually play a role in your corset looking flat, and it could be the way you drafted your pattern, the way you placed the bone, which is actually a major thing that causes your corset to start looking flat, or the way you iron it out. Well, that is about to be over because I have just created a new online paid course where I shared with you guys how to make a perfect cage cupped corset that you see on the screen right now. This is what you guys are going to be learning how to make, exactly what you are seeing on the screen right now. Here at Start by Reme, we do not gatekeep. Most times what you see on our flyer is exactly what you are going to be learning. So this particular class, I'm going to show you guys how to avoid, especially your cup looking flat by the time you're done. I have seen a lot of them. You cage your cup, you've done everything, it's looking flat. Why? I'm going to show you guys how to go about it in this particular class. So registration is currently ongoing and I'm very excited. I cannot wait for you guys to join this class. Classes are going to start on the 15th of October and registration is ongoing. Our WhatsApp number is on the screen. For those of you who would like to register, just send us a WhatsApp message saying I want to register for this class, and we'll send you information on how to register. If you're outside of Nigeria, you can register as well. Just do the same thing, send us a WhatsApp message and we'll let you know how you can register from outside Nigeria.
Apart from this new course, we also have the Ashebi dress class that we started last year. This class currently has over 1,200 registrations. When we started, it was 18,000 naira. Now it is 16,000 naira. So if you would like to register, make sure to register. We also have our basic cupped corset class. As you can see on the videos on the side, this class is the one I always recommend to people who have gone through the Bustier class and are now trying to learn how to make corset. Apart from that, I also have the Bustier online class. This class, I poured out my heart. I actually wanted something that bridges the gap between corset and beginners class. So this is kind of like an intermediate class, and I showed you guys 5 different types of bustiers and how to make them. We also have the beginners class. That's for those people who are just learning how to sew for the very first time. Also, we have the Victorian corset class. As you can see on the screen, the pictures, everything you see on the screen is what you'll be learning. Then we have the corset master class where we put different corsets together and taught in one place. Our inbuilt corset class is also not one to miss out on. As you can see, the picture on the screen, the dress you see is exactly what we'll be making in that class. So if you'd like to register for these and any of all the other classes that we have, don't forget to send us a WhatsApp message.
Thank you so much, guys. I cannot wait to see you in class. Bye.